Are you looking to turn more visitors into loyal customers? Magno's AI-powered lead capture solutions go beyond just collecting emails. They help you understand and engage your audience like never before. Our smart forms and pop-ups track visitor behavior in real time, allowing you to segment users based on their interests and deliver personalized offers instantly. Whether it's a first-time visitor or a returning customer, our tools adapt dynamically to ensure the right message reaches the right person at the perfect moment. Say goodbye to abandoned carts and missed opportunities with Magno's seamless Shopify integration. Our platform automates the entire lead capture process, from triggering targeted follow-ups to syncing data with your CRM. This means less manual work for you and more consistent conversions. Imagine a system that not only captures leads but also nurtures them with tailored promotions, discounts, and reminders, all without you lifting a finger. It's the ultimate way to maximize your store's revenue potential. Generic pop-ups and forms are a thing of the past. Magno's AI analyzes visitor behavior to deliver hyper-relevant offers in real time. For example, if a customer spends time browsing a specific product category, they'll receive a discount or recommendation tailored to their interests. This level of personalization significantly boosts engagement and conversion rates. By showing customers exactly what they want, when they want it, you'll create a shopping experience that feels custom built for them. Ready to take your Shopify store to the next level? Shopify makes it easy to bring your ideas to life with an unbeatable offer. Enjoy 3 months for just $1 a month on select plans. Combine this with Magno's intelligent lead capture tools, and you've got a powerhouse setup for driving sales and building customer loyalty. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your e-commerce strategy. The future of business is yours to shape, and it starts with the right tools. Sign up for Shopify's free trial today and unlock 3 months of premium features for just $1 a month. Pair it with Magno's advanced lead capture technology to automate conversions, reduce cart abandonment, and grow your customer base effortlessly. Click the link below to get started now.